Embrace living within your means for a prosperous future. Join us on this channel to explore personal finance, wealth building, and early retirement. Discover insights from Warren Buffett on avoiding common financial pitfalls. Start your journey to retire rich with informed choices. Number 1. Drinking at bars. Just as homemade coffee is cheaper than Starbucks, drinking at bars can be excessively pricey. While it's not groundbreaking, a USA Today study reveals some US cities have an average annual alcohol spend of $1,218 per person. Opt for house parties instead of bars, save at least $500 annually, invest in an index fund, and watch your wealth grow towards millionaire status. Number 2. Latest tech gadgets. Apple just unveiled the iPhone 15 Pro Max, priced at slightly over $1,500. The allure of the latest gadget may be strong, but the tech market constantly introduces tempting new devices. Pause and reflect. Do you truly need a new phone? Consider Warren Buffett, a billionaire who only switched to an iPhone when his old flip phone fell apart. It's crucial to evaluate the pros and cons, scrutinize specs, and determine if the latest model justifies the extra expense compared to its predecessor before making a decision. Number 3. Overexpensive clothes and watches. While we appreciate the desire to dress impressively, it's essential to reconsider before splurging on brands that lack quality to justify their prices. Take a cue from Bill Gates, who confidently sports a $10 watch at major events, emphasizing value over extravagance. Similarly, both Mark Zuckerberg and Steve Jobs adopted a minimalist approach, wearing the same attire daily to simplify their lives. Let's draw inspiration from the frugal spending habits of millionaires and billionaires. The goal is not just to look rich, but to actually be rich. Opting for high-quality unbranded products at a justified price aligns with this philosophy over pricier branded alternatives. Number 4. Unpaid credit card bills. At first glance, credit cards can be helpful in emergencies when your next paycheck is distant. However, many of us have turned using credit cards into a regular habit, impulsively purchasing non-essential items with the notion that we don't have to pay immediately. Wants become needs, and we find ourselves trapped in debt, giving control of our lives to moneylenders. The allure of cashback points and airplane miles further encourages thoughtless spending. The real issue arises when we struggle to pay the bill on time, facing steep interest rates of up to 20%. A $1,000 expenditure can result in an additional $200 in interest. To avoid wasting money on interest payments, it's crucial to spend only what you can promptly repay. Number 5. Unused gym memberships. Have you recently felt embarrassed at the gym? If your answer is yes, you're not alone. According to exercise.com, 67% of gym members never utilize their memberships. Additionally, a home gym survey reveals that the average membership costs $50 per month. If you're not using your gym membership, you could save between $20 to $70 a month, totaling $840 annually at the upper end. This isn't about prioritizing saving money over health. It's about recognizing that unused gym memberships can be replaced with free workout routines like walking, jogging, or hiking. Consider joining a gym only when you're committed to a more intensive workout. Thanks for watching our video.